Okay, so in this one, I'm going to be showing you how to retouch your studio portraits using AI, which is made with you. And the beautiful part is that you do not have to lift a muscle, right? So I'm going to be taking you step-by-step guide on how this AI works. And trust me, you are going to love to inculcate it into your workflow. So like I said initially, it's called Matthew, and all you need to do is just to move sliders, especially when you are working on bulk images. You just have to move sliders. After moving the sliders, it fixes the job. Then you synchronize it across every other image that you have to retouch, and you will achieve the same consistent result across all of them. So without wasting much of your time, let's quickly get started. The first thing we need to fix in this picture, of course, is the blemish removal. So I'm going to move straight to the blemishes. So if you look over this area, you're going to see the remove blemishes area. So once you take it up, you're going to notice that immediately all the blemishes begins to go away. Then you have to also remove it for the body as well. So you see acne body, and it's all taken care of as well. Then we'll do the same thing for the body blemishes. So if there are a few ones that we are remaining, it just takes care of it entirely. But of course, increase the marks a little. And the forehead wrinkles. If you wish to remove the dark circles, you can as well remove the dark circles. Same thing with wrinkles around eye. So depending on exactly what you want to do to the image, then you can as well remove the cheek line and the smile line. So at this point, all we need to do now is to go straight and retouch. Now, if you notice that a little part of your image is losing focus, all you need to do is just to go down to the face disfocus repair. Just turn it up, and it's going to, try to restore details back to some areas in your image, especially the face. So I think the lip line is too rough. I'm going to need to bring that down. Very good. Then we'll move straight to the skin area, increase your frequency separation. Of course, it's a very major thing to do. Maybe add a little bit of the high frequency, reduce the overall opacity. Then go to your skin refinement effect, reduce one or two things. Go to the neutral gray leveling. So this one serves the neutral gray leveling serves the same thing that your micro dodger bond does. Get the dimensions back. Then do the frequency separation for the body, a little bit of skin texture, and AI retouch for face. So once you have this down, your image is ready. So go straight to the skin, select the skin tone, and in this case, I'm going to be selecting something very natural. Right? Warm it up a little, intensify it a little. Increase the skin tone balance and the skin tone multiple. Maybe a little bit of the rosy, whiten, and brightness. And we are good to go. Look at the image. This is the before, this is the after, this is the before, this is the after. Amazing work that we've done here so far. So you can go all the way down to makeup and enhance your lip makeup. This one. So if you have makeup on your lips, you notice you just enhance that. Increase your shadows a bit, and a little bit of your highlights. Enhance the eyebrow, very important to make it stand out more. And eye makeup, and we are good to go. This is overall before and after. This is the before, this is the after, this is the before, this is after. You don't have to do the job yourself. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to get access to this particular software, all you need to do is just go to the description of the video. Right, once you get to the description, you will see the link there. Click on it and you'll be able to download it. Once you register, they'll be giving you 4 free credits to try out, 4 different images on it. Be sure that it's doing what they said it's doing. Then you can, of course, purchase your own credit to be able to inculcate it into your workflow. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you do subscribe, turn on your notification bell to get notified every single time we drop a new video. Until then, see you on the next one.